Okay, so this is the replacement cabin filter. So first of all, let's gonna pull this out. Yep. There. I'm gonna pull this clip. Yep, there's a clip right here. See, you're breaking something, but trust me, you're not. That's the way they make the clips. Okay, one more. Let's see. Okay. Something. Yep, this comes out. Oh, so now I need to look at the filter. This is my first time. As you can see, I'm gonna go all the way in there. Let's try to remove. 1 second, let me bring the flashlight. Okay, so with this flashlight we should be able to see. So this is the bottom. So this is the cabin cover. Okay, so you see the filter. Oh boy, steady. Alright, I thought I would move it. These days, I don't understand how they make all this car. They just want to make it hard for common people to replace something by themselves, which should be easy to replace. I don't want to pay somebody to replace this for me. And it's myself. Yep, as you can see. Oh, Jesus Christ. You can see that? Alright. So that's it. Then you put the new one. I have my new one that I'm going to replace, and that should be good.